Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be talking about a very important topic of communication, that is the 7 C's of communication. I know this topic might be there in your syllabus if you are a student of BTech and BCA, and understanding this topic is very important for you all because it will definitely come in your exam. And in today's class I shall be explaining this topic to you in a very simplified way. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the name of the topic is the 7 C's of communication. But before coming to the topic, let me give you an example to explain why this topic is so important for us to understand. Just think about a situation that you just text to your friend and you said, meet me at a place we talked about yesterday. Meet me at a place we talked about yesterday. Now what happened? Your friend might get confused that you're talking about which place, you're talking about meeting at what time. And imagine a situation if your friend reach to a very different location at a very different time, so it might create lot of confusion. So in order to avoid a situation of confusion, we need to understand there are 7 important C's that we need to keep in mind before communicating anything to our friend. So let's get started in order to have a clarification of all these 7 type of C's that we have to keep in mind before communicating anything. So first of all, the thing that I have said, that why 7 C's are important, why they matter for us to understand. The simple answer is that in order to avoid a situation of misunderstanding, or in order to build a connection, a trust, or in order to get a desired result, we need to follow the 7 C's of communication. Because many times our language, body language, choice of words, wrong intonation, they create lot of confusion. And communication simply means making relationships, making connections. And in order to build strong relationship, better communication, better understanding, better relationship, you need to keep these 7 C's in mind. And communication is used to increase productivity at a workplace. So in order to avoid a case of or a situation of misunderstanding, we always need to remember these 7 C's to boost our productivity. So let's get started and let's see all the 7 C's one by one. So the first C is, as I said, clarity. What is clarity? So whenever you speak, you should speak clearly. You should complete your sentence. You should give all necessary information required in that sentence clearly. For an example, if as a teacher I say to a student that submit your assignment soon, okay, submit your assignment as soon as possible. So as a student, you might not get clarity regarding the assignment, regarding when exactly you need to submit it, regarding in which format you need to submit it, or there is no clarity whether you need to submit a handwritten assignment or you need to send a mail copy whatsoever. So my sentence is not clear, my message is not clear. I have just said that submit it